Welcome back to the channel. Today I got this John Deere mower deck here and I sandblasted it yesterday and there's a couple pinholes in it. So I'm going to show you how to weld them up. 2 pinholes there and 1 right here. What you need to do is get a piece of stainless steel or aluminum. You have to put the pinhole right on top of that. I can see the aluminum right behind there. So I got a Lincoln 140 here, flux core, and there's a gauge here. Tells you what settings you want. So I'm going to go with the smallest one, which is 24 or 22 gauge. Which setting would be a 2.5 A. So I'm going to set it at 2 in A. So I'm going to go right in the middle and just zap it a few times. 1, press it like half a second, half a second. Perfect. So I'm going to weld this one right in the middle, and I'm going to go all the way around. I'm going to go over to this side here. You can see, I see the aluminum right behind there. I'm going to right in the middle. Wrap it once and go all the way around. Alright, let's take the mini grinder here. Let's see what it looks on the other side. Touch it up on this side here. I tell I already patched this up here because these were full of holes here and here. But the rest of the deck seems pretty good, just for those little pinholes. Yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. If you like this video, press thumbs up below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.